So it looks like Samsung is finally launching the Galaxy A04s. So as you guys see, the headline reads, Samsung launches budget segment phone with Exynos chipset. It says Galaxy A04s uses a 5000 mAh battery along with a 15-watt charger inside of the box. So looks like we're actually getting a charger inside this box, so that's great to see. And this is what the phone looks like. It looks like they have like a copper, shiny copper type of color, and they also have the shiny emerald type of look. Phones look beautiful though for the A04s. For the ultra budget versions of the Samsung A series, these phones look beautiful. I love these colors, so great that they're going with those. It says Samsung on Monday launched the Galaxy A04s smartphone and thus expanded its A series portfolio. The budget segment phone features an Exynos chipset, a 90Hz refresh rate, and an expandable storage option. The Samsung Galaxy A04s is powered by an octa-core Exynos 850 processor. I don't have any experience with that thus far, so hopefully this is a phone I can get in for review. That'd be great. And comes with a 64GB inbuilt storage with up to 1TB expandable storage via microSD card. The Galaxy A04s gets up to 4GB of RAM, which is actually pretty adequate for an ultra budget entry phone for the A series. The smartphone has virtual RAM support as well of up to 8GB of RAM. That's great. And it says the A04s operates on One UI 4.1 based on Android 12. So we're probably going to be seeing the Android 13 update on this device as well in the first few months of this device. It also says the Galaxy A04s sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The display also comes with Dolby Atmos support. So this phone is looking really good so far. It says the Galaxy A04s sports a triple rear camera. It has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. The A04s features a 5 megapixel front lens. The Galaxy A04s uses a 5000 mAh battery along with a 15-watt charger inside the box. The phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor as well, and it says the Galaxy A04s starts at 13,499, I believe that's rupee because this is India, for the 4GB and 64GB variant, and comes in black, copper, and green colors, available across retail stores, online, and portals on Samsung's website. So let me go ahead and translate that into US dollars and see how much that is. So to US dollars, that's $165. So that may be the price that we can expect this phone at when it comes to the United States, if it is coming here. The A03s, I believe, did come to the United States as well, so this is probably going to come as well. So for $165, if that's the price that we're going to be seeing on this device, everything looks pretty decent so far. I think the specifications are there. 850 Exynos processor inside of there. They may have another processor if they bring it to the US, but we got the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 internal. I think it looks pretty good. I think this is a win so far for $165. And for all of the viewers that are in India, let me know in the comment section down below. But are you guys excited for this too? And anybody inside the United States, do you guys want this to come to the US? And what is a price tag that you're comfortable with paying? Other than that, if you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. But this has been Safal from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.